Why wouldn't you do that? You see this look? I have more of where this is coming from, okay?
I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants a lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me, I got a boutique. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me lock up on the front seat. We gon' go for an hour, then we gon'
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. As you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my updated brow routine. I am getting so into just this bushy look, this more natural, less structured brow. And I do get a lot of compliments on my brows, so I figured that I would just, again, show you guys how I currently do my brows. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I get these babies done, then keep watching. All right, so I owe you guys an updated brow routine. It's been so long. I am no longer wearing like a sculpted brow. I don't clean my brows up with concealer anymore. And if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys have probably noticed. So I did decide to go ahead and film a updated brow tutorial. Nothing has changed about the products that I'm using. As always, it is my NYX micro brow pencil. Blech, I don't know why I was tripping over saying that. In the shade Espresso. Depending on the color of your hair, obviously that's going to dictate which brow pencil is going to work best for you. Another brow pencil that I absolutely love as well is going to be the Morphe brow pencil. The shade Java is more suiting for my hair color right now, but Ulta has been out of stock of that pencil for so long now, or at least the one that I typically go to. Actually, the two of them that I typically go to haven't had the pencil in a while. It's not that deep for me to order it offline, so I've kind of just been sticking with the NYX brow pencil, because you guys know, if you're an OG to my channel, then you already know that is my holy grail. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys how I go about doing my brows. See, because I don't clean them up anymore, and I like to go for more of a I guess bushy brow, if you will. I literally just brush them up. I brush them out the way first, so that way I can get an idea of the shape that I'm wanting to go for. And I also filmed a video showing you guys how I clean my brows up at home. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it above. If that video does not go up before this one, well, obviously it will make more sense for me to have that video up first. So I'm lying. If you guys haven't seen that video beforehand, then I will make sure that I link it in the cards so you guys can see how I clean my brows up at home. Especially with most of us being stuck on quarantine and it being so hard for us to get in and get appointments with the people who normally handle our beauty matters. So let's see. Now that this is filled in, I just like to, where I see that contour starting at, make little hair strokes. And you see, well, you probably can't tell how light-handed I'm being in the front, but I'm sure you can see. I don't like to put too much pressure on the pencil at the front of my brows, because that's what'll have you looking crazy. Then the next brow product you guys are gonna see me using, everything is all wiped off because I get good use out of my stuff. But this is the Anastasia Brow Wiz brow gel, sorry, in clear. And I just use that to set my brow hairs in place. All right, so I am back. My makeup is on, and as I told you guys, I will come back and show you guys what other products I typically use on my brows if I'm wanting to kind of change the appearance, and it's literally just brow gel. So if I want to lighten my brow, I will use this product. This is my MAC Pro Longwear Brow Gel in the shade Quiet Brunette. Another one that a lot of people really love is the Boy Girl. That was super popular when I worked at MAC. When I'm not in my jet black moment and I go, you know, maybe do like some highlights, or I do like my brownish blondish hair, then this is perfect. Or if I'm going for like more of like a soft brow, then I'll put this in my brow as well. With this brow gel, this is from Maybelline, and this is, oh Lord, I'm dropping shit. This is Maybelline Brow Drama. This is a oldie but goodie in my kit. You guys have probably seen me use this. Is it on focus? Okay, so you guys have probably seen me use this 1,000 times, and it's really good for just like darkening the brows. So definitely if I'm taking photos, because one thing I've noticed is like, even if I use my if I use the clear brow gel, I mean, it's fine, but if I'm taking photos like outside, like high definition photos, well, that's what makeup in general, you have to go a little bit heavier. So that's typically when I use this, or on days where I don't feel like using a brow pencil and I'm rushing, then I'll literally just brush my brows up with a spoolie, put this brow gel on, set it with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel you guys saw me use when I initially did my brows for the brow tutorial, and I get out. But yeah, that is it, guys. I truly hope that you all enjoyed this video. I know it was super quick. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys would like me to try out any new brow products, definitely make sure that you leave them down below in the description box, and I'll be sure to check those out. But until then, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.